Alright, so I am going to do a sort of kind of top speed test on the K6R Qs138 electric swap dirt bike. I'm gonna see, I don't really have any like straights around me, so like this, right, and this will give me my top speed. Of course, can't display it. My display actually stopped working for whatever reason. And I'm also not on completely full battery, but more or less. Let's see. I did get that second nap this time, my friend. This is actually probably on about 70% battery. I'm not sure. Something like that with how it's resting. But I mean, this battery performs phenomenally now. I'm not sure of the mileage I'm getting out of these batteries, but I just kind of go off the amp hours, and I mean, I think I'm roughly getting 1.5 miles per amp hour, so kind of. But not, no, wait. No, that's wrong. Oh, it's you who's leaving the poop bags out, fucker. Anyways, I got that wrong. I think it's like 0.8 miles per amp hour on the full, you know, varied terrain and varied throttle. Oh shit, gear setting. So switching between 1 to 3 over the time. And this is 1. I'm easily doing 35 with like a quarter throttle. Not much. 1 will do 50. I have measured it. I have short gearing right now, though it's trail gearing. Because I do take it trail riding like I do mild enduro, you know, bronze, silver stage enduro stuff. So I intended it for it to go up rocks and stuff. So I put really short 1149 gearing, which I think with the Qs138 gear reduction is like a 10.6 to 1. So I think the motor spins 10 times to the wheels 1. This is a downhill, but you'd be surprised how fast that is. But, I mean, once we get through these S's, I am going to switch up to 3, and this will be it. If there's no cops or anything. And I am on dirt tires, so that's going to rob me a little bit. Not too bad, but it will rob me a bit of the top speed. We'll see. We will see. I'm going to go full visor, though. Oh no, that sucks. There's a combust out to me. I think that was full. Gear limited. Oh, that should have been long enough for the GPS to have registered that. 66 miles per hour. Right there. Yeah. That's about right. I mean, my display, I think, when it was working, topped out at 71-ish. So, I mean, I thought it felt about right. You know, because it looked right, felt right, very close. And I'm not so sure it's actually reaching those speeds. I think with the flux weakening I have right now, I'm only reaching about 83 or 8400 or so. So I'm not really reaching my full potential with this thing. And now my chain guide is squeaking. Oh, don't go off the road. Holy shit. My God, dude. Calm down. It's just a dirt bike. It's just a dirt bike. Well, that was the top speed. 66. I don't know. We'll check it one more time on the way back, because I did, go kind of quick there for a second. Outside the wheel again. That's just making a lot of noise. I'm gonna stop and check that real quick. Let's see. Oh shit. Oh wow, that's really loose. Hold on. Yeah, that'll do it. Yeah, why does my shit always come loose? I walked out of that. That's crazy. That's ridiculous. Get back on. Think it's turning? Yeah, we're getting it. Fuck. I can't go any more than that. Not great, but it's not making that noise anymore. Yeah, my fucking brake lever over here is just... this Can-Am sucks. Oh, I got kind of tight. And it don't feel right whenever you're riding. Or braking even, like, it don't. My one finger, man, I've got pretty strong fucking fingers, but that thing don't work right. I think it's just how small the caliper is, maybe, or I don't know, maybe it is that bit braid, the line itself. Probably get off the road. Let's see. Yeah, and that was it though. I mean, you asked me for a top speed run, there it is. Shush. See that fucking brake lever? That's what she does. 66 to 68, give or take. I could play with the flux weakening a bit and get more, but I'm not really looking for speed. I'm more looking for that torque. That's what I'm after. That stuff that makes you come out of corners like that. You know? Power. I need to get a new chain guard though. This chain is eating straight through because the pivot point's lower. I'm gonna be chewing through those motherfuckers. Anyways, that's it.